with a quick demonstration of what the magic of Instabond can do. Here we go. We've got a situation here where, oh my God, my brush has the sponge has come away from the holder. So check this out. There's quick spray on one side, or you can just put the adhesive on the other. Doesn't really matter. I want to do this really quick. Now the adhesive on the opposite. Shut this off. Okay. This works fantastic. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit over here. Don't get any on your fingers. Okay? Now, just hold it there. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, let's see your glue do this. Okay? Impossible. Okay, we fixed this. This is this. It will never come off. Anyway, back to cleaning, and away you go. Okay? That's the magic of Instabond. Can your glue do that? Impossible. Okay? Anyway, till next time, this is Rick. Good day.